Now let's turn our attention to automation. This seems to be the thing that all MSPs want to do, but never find the time to do it. I'm hoping that after seeing the impact of automation on your margins, you will decide that now is the time to get started. The nice thing about automating your processes is that once you've done it once, it's completely repeatable with every single program sold and in the future. With the right tools, you can accomplish quite a bit towards automation in all three of your key service areas: reactive support, proactive support, and even in project work. With your reactive support, create scripts in your tools for the most common issues that you see, things like stopping and starting a printer service, for example, and have your techs run those scripts rather than fixing the same issue repeatedly. This way, even though you can't really control reactive support, you can absolutely control your process. Even with project work, you can use the tools to automate the deployment of software, for example, and drive home very fruitful margins, charging your customers for the estimated time that it would take to update their accounting software manually, and then automate it and watch your margins go through the roof. The easiest area in your program delivery to automate is that routine maintenance. Let's continue with our fully managed server example. Here's a sample of what a typical maintenance routine for a fully managed server with key applications might look like. If you take the time, you can automate all of the highlighted areas here. That amounts to 90% of your routine maintenance. Typically takes upwards of an hour to accomplish, so if you leverage your tools properly, you can bring that tech time down to 6 minutes. I think you will all agree that gaining 54 minutes of tech time per managed server per month can translate into quite a bit of money in your pocket. I'll let you calculate that opportunity cost on your own, but obviously charging for the time in your programs and automating it just so you can charge it for it elsewhere again is that kind of double dipping that we want to see you do. Let's stay focused on cutting your costs and see what automating your maintenance routines does to your programs specifically. So once again, dealing with a fully managed server, let's see that I've adjusted the preventative maintenance time allotted from 60 minutes to 6 minutes to account for 90% automation. With just that one switch, your margins jump from 52% up to 65%. That is our biggest jump in margin thus far. It's a fantastic 13%. Your tech time represents the single biggest swing in your profitability. Do things right. In other words, get your processes in place, ensure they're repeatable, automate as much as you can, and keep your tech focused on billable activities that can't be automated. And you're sitting pretty. Do things wrong, and you'll likely end up with poorer margins than we started with in each of our examples. Either way, your tech utilization rate is extremely important to your business. So let's take a quick, high-level look at what improved utilization rates mean to you.